Here I want to show y'all what I was doing real quick. I'm taking the dash out. In order to do that, there's a few steps you have to do. A few. First thing I did was I took off the armrest. There's other videos showing you how to do it step by step. So I'm not going to go through step by step, but I will tell you what I did. I used I want to say T15. I can't remember. I used the T15, took off the armrest. I got my blue pry tool and I popped everything up. Once you pop it up, there's going to be two 7mm bolts down here. There's two of them down there. Take those two out. You come over here, you pull your dash panel off. Once you pull your dash panel off, there's another 7mm screw right here, under here. See? After you take that out, you're gonna pop this down and you're gonna pull your trunk release latch off. You're gonna pull up on this piece, pull it out, right? Okay, once you do that, you got those popped off. You're gonna pop off your little piece right here on this side. Once you pop it off, it's gonna be two screws holding this in. You're gonna unscrew it, both of those come out, bang. Then you're gonna get the piece that goes around here. The piece that goes around right here. You're just gonna pop it out. Get your blue tool, pop, 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 pop. Once you put it all out, there's about 15 T7 screws, not T7, but 15 7mm screws going all the way around. You're gonna take those out as well. Once you take those out, you come to where we're at right now. I am getting ready to pop the actual dash out. I'm going to pop the actual dash out. What I'm doing is I'm replacing my screen with a bigger 10.1 inch Android screen. This is a 2014 Corvette Stingray base model. I don't have Carplay, I don't have navigation. So I'm getting ready to remedy that. Okay, so I got the dash out. What you're gonna do is take off your hazard wire, unplug your hazard wire. See, you push from the bottom, pull out. Down here, probably most likely it's your HVAC control and everything for the radio and everything. You're gonna push down, pull out. Then you have your start, the start button. It's in like that. You gotta push down on the side, pull out. On this side, you're gonna have your dimmer. You're gonna have, I can't remember what these other ones were. And this is the trunk release, but that comes out first. But once you get these out, now we can get some 7mm and take out the old radio. Okay, everything is in the box. What we have here, we have our PAX unit, so it'll adapt to the car. So I can use all the functions of the original radio and for the car. We have USB extenders, also USB extender. I'm pretty sure that that is the main wiring harness. We have video outs. We have RCA cables, and I'm pretty sure that over there is going to be the reverse and the antenna. Pretty sure. Up top we have right here and right here. That's a 4G antenna right there, and that is a GPS antenna. My first time installing this unit. I'm going to install it. Before I put everything together, I am going to turn it on and make sure everything is working correctly, reverse wise and everything. Okay, so in order to get power to this, you will have to take this off of your original radio. And I'm going to show you where I took it from, so you can know when you get the unit, if you get the unit. Okay, so this came from inside of here. And basically you take the 4 screws out. Okay, so when you take this off, this ribbon cable is in here, it goes in here. This plug right here goes here. This plug right here goes here. And then you put it back in there and you screw it back in. You're gonna have to take that out in order to get that unit to work. I didn't get any instructions, but like I said, I've done these units. I've had these units a lot in my Tahoe, Suburban, Escalade, Audi, Volkswagen. So I'm pretty much used to the units. Even though I didn't get any instructions, I knew what was required. So I'm gonna put all this back in, then I'm gonna put the factory radio back in, and I'm gonna send the other radio back to the company and order the other one from the other company. This time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take pictures of everything and send to them so they can know and be sure that they're sending me the correct wiring that I need. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now I'm playing, but I have to hook up a few more wires and figure out the sound thing real quick. And my reverse camera. Okay, quick rundown, right? So as you can see, this is powered up, but reverse camera's not working because the reverse camera's not hooked up. I have temperature, but as you can see, this isn't lighting up, this isn't lighting up, and this isn't lighting up. So I did contact them about that. Everything works up here. I can touch screen and do everything, but that's not what I want to do. Also, you know, I can change the temperature there and it changes over there in the corner. So that works, but I want this to work and I want that to light up, and all this needs to light up as well. Also, as you can see, there's no sound, and there's no sound because I'm pretty sure maybe like in my Audi has these two right here, these two RCAs, which normally goes into the splits into the 3.5 millimeter jack, and it goes into the auxiliary. Then you put your car on auxiliary and you're supposed to hit a radio from that. I put the adapters on there, but I don't hit a radio from it, so that's another thing. Let's see what else. I think that's about, well, yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna send the unit back because, you know, now I can make it work. I can definitely make it work. I can run a review camera to it. I can run my amps, my custom amps to it, which I was planning on running to the factory system anyway. I can definitely make this unit work 110%, but for the price I paid for it, I am not going to make it work. I paid for plug and play, so I expect plug and play. Now, if they had gave me the unit for maybe $200-300, I'll make it work. Even the lighting, I can even make the lighting work. I can make it work. But like I said, after paying close to $800 for plug and play, I want plug and play. Plus, the wire that they sent that plugs into here, they sent the wrong adapter for it. So that's another thing. I'm not sure what this is for. I honestly believe this is for the rear view camera. To be totally honest, I think this is for the rear view camera, and they sent the wrong one for it. So either way it go, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and send it back, and I go from there. I'm gonna order from this other place. Well, I originally thought I was ordering it from the place that I thought I was ordering it from, but they have the same name. The only difference is one say global and the other one say radio. I thought I was ordering it from the one that said radio, but it just so happened that I was too quick in ordering, and I ended up ordering from the place that said global. So I'm sending it back to them, and then I'm going to order it from the right place, and it should get here in, I think, 10 days. So I'm going to take everything out, and I'm going to put everything back in, except I'm not going to screw all the screws back down. I'm going to put everything back in, but I'm going to just clamp it down. I'm just going to put the snaps in. I'm not going to screw it in.